how to convert photo to PDF in Android phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily convert a photo to PDF on your Android phone. It's possible in your built-in Photos app itself. So open up your Photos app and then find the image that you want to convert. Then tap on the three dots on the top right and then you'll find print option there. Tap on it and then in the print preview on the top right you'll see a drop down. Tap on it and you'll see save as PDF option. So tap on save as PDF and then once you save it, it will be saved on your files. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.